Stepping into the sprawling universe of Star Wars is a dream for many. The allure of the galaxy far, far away has captivated audiences for decades, drawing fans into its epic tales of heroism, adventure, and the eternal struggle between good and evil. For Kelly Marie Tran, it became a reality. She was cast in one of the most beloved franchises in cinematic history, a role that would forever change her life and career. But it was a reality built on dedication and grueling work. The journey to becoming a Star Wars character is not for the faint of heart. It requires immense physical and mental fortitude. Cast as Rose Tico, Tran embarked on a journey of intense physical and mental preparation. She had to transform herself into a character who could stand alongside the legendary heroes of the Star Wars saga. For 7 hours a day, 3 months straight, she immersed herself in the world of Jedi training. Tran's commitment was absolute. She pushed her body to its limits, enduring rigorous workouts and stunt training sessions. This was no ordinary role. This was Star Wars. The weight of the franchise's legacy was immense, and Tran felt the pressure to live up to the high expectations of fans and creators alike. The legacy of the franchise weighed heavily. Every scene, every line, every action had to honor the rich history of Star Wars while bringing something new and fresh to the table. Fans around the world held high expectations. The Star Wars community is passionate and dedicated, and they expect nothing less than excellence from those who join the saga. Tran was determined to do the character of Rose justice. She knew that her portrayal would be scrutinized by millions, and she was ready to rise to the challenge. And she was ready to put in the hours. The training regimen was intense, designed to prepare her for the physical demands of the role and to help her embody the strength and resilience of her character. The training regimen was intense. It included everything from strength training and cardio to stunt choreography and combat training. Every aspect of her physical fitness was tested and honed. It pushed Tran to her limits. There were days when she felt exhausted, but she never gave up. She knew that every drop of sweat, every sore muscle was bringing her closer to her goal, but she embraced the challenge. Tran found strength in the process, discovering new depths of resilience and determination within herself. The journey was as much about personal growth as it was about professional preparation. Every day brought her closer to embodying Rose's strength and resilience. The experience was transformative. She wasn't just playing a character, she was becoming Rose Tico, a symbol of hope and courage in the Star Wars universe. It was about becoming part of something bigger than herself. Tran was joining a family of actors, creators, and fans who have kept the spirit of Star Wars alive for generations. It was about joining the ranks of legendary Star Wars heroes. Tran's journey was a testament to the power of dedication, hard work, and the enduring magic of the Star Wars saga. Kelly Marie Tran's training was a whirlwind of disciplines. She embarked on an intense journey that tested her limits and pushed her beyond what she thought was possible. Every day was a new challenge, a new opportunity to grow and evolve. It was a fusion of ancient martial arts and modern athleticism. The training combined the wisdom of centuries-old techniques with the cutting-edge methods of contemporary fitness. This blend created a unique and rigorous regimen that honed her body and mind. She dove into the world of hand-to-hand combat, learning to strike with precision and speed. Each punch and kick was a lesson in control and power, teaching her how to harness her strength effectively. The intensity of these sessions was palpable, pushing her to master every move. Acrobatics added another layer of complexity. The flips, tumbles, and aerial maneuvers required not just physical strength but also incredible balance and coordination. It was a dance with gravity, demanding both grace and athleticism. Tran learned to move with grace and agility, defying gravity with every flip and tumble. These acrobatic skills were essential, adding fluidity and elegance to her movements, making her performance more dynamic and captivating. And then, there were the weapons. Mastering various weapon techniques was crucial for her role. Each weapon had its own set of challenges, requiring different skills and approaches. No Jedi training would be complete without mastering the iconic lightsaber. The lightsaber was not just a weapon but an extension of her character, a symbol of her journey and growth. Tran spent hours honing her skills, learning to wield the weapon with both elegance and power. Each practice session was a step closer to perfection, a testament to her dedication and hard work. She practiced blocks and strikes, feeling the weight of the lightsaber in her hands. The weapon became an extension of her body, moving seamlessly with her every motion. The training was demanding, both physically and mentally. It required not just strength and endurance but also resilience and determination. Each session was a test of her limits, pushing her to new heights. It required focus, coordination, and a deep understanding of movement. Every exercise was designed to enhance her agility, precision, and overall performance, making her a formidable force on screen. Tran's background in theater provided a solid foundation. Her experience on stage gave her the discipline and presence needed for such a demanding role, but the physicality of this training was on another level. But the demands of Star Wars pushed her further than ever before. It was a transformative experience, one that reshaped her both as an actress and as an individual, preparing her to take on the galaxy. A typical action movie might feature a handful of fight scenes, each designed to thrill and captivate the audience. These scenes often involve a lot of preparation, but they are usually limited in number. Kelly Marie Tran's Star Wars experience was anything but typical. Unlike most action films, her role demanded an extraordinary level of physical and mental preparation. She faced the daunting task of mastering over 20 complex fight sequences. Each sequence required not just physical prowess, but also a deep understanding of the choreography. Each sequence was a story in itself, a carefully choreographed dance of action and reaction. The movements had to be precise, almost like a ballet of combat. Tran worked closely with expert trainers. These professionals were not just any trainers, they were some of the best in the industry, bringing years of experience to the table. These were veterans of the film industry, masters of their craft. They had worked on numerous high-profile projects and knew exactly what it took to prepare an actor for such demanding roles. They brought a wealth of knowledge to the table, guiding Tran through every punch, kick, and lightsaber swing. Their expertise was invaluable in helping her achieve the level of performance required. The choreography was intricate, demanding precision timing and coordination. Every move had to be executed flawlessly to ensure the scene's success. Tran had to move in sync with her fellow actors, creating a seamless flow of combat. This required not just individual skill but also a strong sense of teamwork and timing. One misstep could spell disaster, ruining a take and potentially causing injury. The stakes were high and the pressure was immense. But Tran thrived under pressure. She showed remarkable resilience and determination, qualities that set her apart. She embraced the challenge, pushing herself to deliver her best performance. Her dedication and hard work paid off, resulting in some of the most memorable fight scenes in the Star Wars saga. For Kelly Marie Tran, the pressure extended far beyond the physical demands of the role. She felt the weight of representation on her shoulders. As one of the first women of color to play a leading role in the Star Wars franchise, Tran knew that her performance would be scrutinized. She was determined to portray Rose Tico with authenticity and depth. Tran understood the significance of her casting. She knew that her presence on screen would mean a great deal to many fans. She wanted to honor that responsibility, to create a character that was both relatable and inspiring. The pressure was immense, but Tran refused to let it overwhelm her. She channeled her nervous energy into her performance, infusing Rose with a blend of strength, vulnerability, and determination. Section 5. Beyond the lightsaber, the physical demands of a galaxy far, far away. While the lightsaber battles were undoubtedly demanding, Kelly Marie Tran's physical preparation extended far beyond wielding a weapon. She embarked on a rigorous training regimen designed to build strength, endurance, and agility. Long hours were spent in the gym, pushing her body to its limits. Tran's days were filled with weightlifting, cardio, and flexibility training. She worked with trainers to develop the muscular definition and stamina required for the role. The physical demands of filming were immense. She needed to be able to perform complex stunts for hours on end, often in uncomfortable costumes and challenging environments. Section 6. The legacy of training, action, and emotion in the Star Wars universe. The impact of Kelly Marie Tran's dedication was evident on screen. Her performance as Rose Tico was a testament to the countless hours she poured into training. She moved with a grace and power that captivated audiences. Her fight scenes were both thrilling and believable, a testament to her mastery of the choreography. But Tran's preparation went beyond the physical. She brought an emotional depth to the role that resonated with fans. Her portrayal of Rose was nuanced and layered, capturing both the character's strength and vulnerability. Tran's performance added a new dimension to the Star Wars universe, proving that action and emotion could go hand in hand. Section 7. Behind the scenes, in a galaxy far, far away, documenting dedication. The grueling training regimen that Kelly Marie Tran endured was not hidden from the public eye. Behind-the-scenes footage released by Lucasfilm showcased the intense preparation that went into creating the Star Wars universe. Fans were given a glimpse into the sweat, determination and camaraderie that fueled the production. In one video, Tran can be seen practicing her lightsaber skills with a trainer. Her movements are precise and fluid, the result of countless hours of practice. In another clip, she's working with other cast members, rehearsing a complex fight sequence. The footage highlights the collaborative nature of filmmaking, showcasing the teamwork and dedication required to bring such an ambitious project to life. Section 8. Facing down the dark side, online harassment, and a Jedi's resilience. Kelly Marie Tran's Star Wars journey was not without its challenges. Following the release of The Last Jedi, she became the target of online harassment. Racist and sexist attacks flooded her social media feeds. The negativity was relentless, a stark reminder of the dark side that exists even in a galaxy far, far away. The experience was deeply hurtful. Tran made the difficult decision to step away from social media, seeking solace in the support of her loved ones, but she refused to let the hate silence her. She emerged from the darkness stronger than ever, using her platform to speak out against online harassment and advocate for greater representation in Hollywood. Section 9. A Galaxy of Inspiration, Kelly Marie Tran's Enduring Legacy. Kelly Marie Tran's journey to becoming a Star Wars hero is an inspiration to us all. She embodies the values of hard work, perseverance, and resilience. Her dedication to her craft is evident in every frame of her performance. She faced down adversity with grace and determination, refusing to let the negativity dim her light. Tran's story reminds us that even in the face of immense pressure, it's possible to achieve our dreams. It's a testament to the power of hard work, the importance of representation, and the enduring legacy of the Star Wars universe. Kelly Marie Tran's journey is far from over. She continues to inspire us with her talent, her strength, and her unwavering commitment to making the galaxy a more inclusive and hopeful place.